Hello, good morning. We are the team number 3. We will explain the procedure to create a direct and cross-sectional cable to connect the base.
Hello, my name is Farid.
Hello, my name is Felipe. Hello, my name is Jairo. Hello, my name is Ricardo.
And Fernando.
Parcel 1. Network cable development. Comprise to daily follow instruction and process strictly. Understand our age of your the computers to have activity of an objective.
1. Cross used to connect equals device. 2. Direct used to connect different device.
Materials. 1. 4 meters of UTP cable category 5. 2. 4 RG45 connectors. 3. Punching pliers or clipping matching. 4. Cable tester 5 C6.
Process number 1. Cut the cable into two parts, one for each tip of the cable. Number 2. At each extreme for the cable, cut the plastic cover a distance of the 4 cm and discover the parts of wires and leave them as straight as possible. Number 3. Unravel the trees and leave the team straightened. Number 4. Order the cables from the left to right according to the standard indication.
Indicate. Cut the X cable strike so that only 2 cable centimeters are left. 6. Insert the cable into RG45 connector with the contacts punching up until it stops.